Have you ever thought of your phone as a digital multi-tool? If you were stuck on a desert island, a multi-tool would be the best thing to have grabbed from your sinking ship, wouldn't it? But in almost any other situation where there is a choice, wouldn't it be better to use a specialist tool for each task? Well, see, it's the same with our phones. There are often better specialist tools to use for the job. But it's easy to forget about these alternatives because our phones are always to hand. How smart are you with your phone?